Hello students. Today's topic is about overview of business analytics and scope of business analytics. In overview of business analytics, we will see about the what is business analytics, importance of business analytics, applications of business analytics, and challenges of business analytics. After that, we will see about the scope of business analytics, in which we will see about the types of business analytics. So let me start with what is business analytics. Business analytics is the process of transforming data into action through analysis and insight in the context of organization decision making and the problem solving. So business is the process we will transform the data into analysis, and organization decision making and problem solving can be done through business analytics. This is the definition of business analytics. Business analytics is used by companies committed to data driven decision making. Example of the use of analytics is the weather measurement collected data. So weather data we will collect, and after that we will convert that data into the statistics, which in turn predict the weather patterns. Leading banks use analytics to predict and prevent credit fraud. So leading banks like SBI will use the analytics to predict and prevent the credit card fraud. And this figure shows the analytics of the business analytics. Next topic is about the importance of business analytics. Important decisions have not been based on the data but on judgment and institution of decision makers. So important decision will not be taken on the data, but it will take on the judgment and institution of decision makers. Business analytics enhances understanding of data. So we can enhance the understanding of data for the through business analytics. Which are the types of data will be used for the business purposes. Analytics is a powerful business tool that enables firms to leverage their data in key business decisions. So analytics is a powerful tool which will enable firms to leverage their data in key business decisions. Companies are taking advantage of analytics to equip every decision maker with the ability to make the right decision every time. So company will take the advantage of analytics to equip every decision maker with the ability to take the right decision for every time. The key is becoming more analytical and fact based on your decision making, and to use appropriate level of analytics for decision at hand. BA, that is business analytics, is the vital for businesses to remain competitive. So business will be vital for businesses. It will remain competitive in nature. Business analytics enables creation of informative reports. So business analytics will create the informative reports. We can create informative reports through business analytics. There is a strong relationship of business analytics with profitability of businesses, revenue of businesses, and stakeholder return. So it gives the strong relationship of business with profitability of business, revenue which will be collected from the government, and stakeholders of return. Next topic is about the business analytics application. So there are various applications of business analytics. First is about the financial activity. BA is of utmost importance to financial sector. Companies these days have a large amount of financial data. Use of intelligent business analytics tools. So it will companies will use the business analytics tools like MS Excel, SPSS, which can help use this data to determine the product prices. Second application is about the marketing, studying buying patterns of consumers behavior, analyzing trends, help in identifying the target audience, employing advertising techniques that can appeal to the consumers, forecast supply requirements, etc. Next application is about the HR professional. HR stands for human resource professionals, can make use of data to find information about educational background of high performance candidate, employees attrition rate, number of years of service employee, age, gender, etc. This information can play an important role in the selection process of a candidate. Next application is CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. Business analytics helps one analyze the key performance indicators, which further helps in decision making and make strategies to boost the relationship with the consumers. So it will boost the relationship with the consumer through CRM, that is customer relationship management. The demographics and the data about social economic factors, purchasing patterns, lifestyle, etc. are important for CRM department. CRM stands for customer relationship management. Next application is about the manufacturing. Manufacturing uses analytics to production planning, purchase and inventory management. Retailers use analytics to recommend products to customers and optimize the marketing promotions. So it will recommend the products to the customers, and we can optimize the market promotion for retailers. Next application is pharmaceutical firms. In pharmaceutical firms, business analytics is also used for analyzing the pharmaceutical data. Airlines and hotel use analytics dynamically set prices over time to maximize the revenues. Sports team game strategies. So it is used for this game strategies dynamically through business analytics like cricket, football, etc. So these are the various applications of business analytics. Now we will see about the challenges of business analytics. Business analytics depends on sufficient volume of high quality of data. So in for business analytics, we should have the sufficient amount of data. Analytics was considered a type of after the fact method of forecasting consumer behavior by examining the number of units sold in the last quarter or the last year. This type of data warehousing required a lot more storage space than it did speed. Now business analytics is becoming a tool that can influence the outcome of customer interactions. When a specific customer type is considered a purchase, an analytics enable enterprise can modify the sales pitch to appeal that consumers. This means the storage space for all the data must react externally fast to provide the necessary data in real time. So these are the challenges of business analytics. So the topic about the overview of business analytics is over. Now we will go further to the scope of business analytics or the types of business analytics. Types of business analytics are of three types: descriptive analytics, predictive analytics and prescriptive analytics. So first is descriptive analytics. The use of data to understand past and the current business performance and make informed decisions. Descriptive analytics summarize the data into meaningful charts and reports. So descriptive analytics will summarize the data into meaningful charts. We can create meaningful charts and reports for descriptive analytics. Example: an age bar chart is used to depict retail shoppers for a department store that wants to target advertising to customers by age. So this is about the descriptive analytics. Now second is about the predictive analytics, an application of advanced statistical information software operation research methods to identify predictive variables. It will identify the predict variables, predict models to identify trends and relationship not readily in a descriptive analysis. So this is the definition about the predictive analytics. Example: multiple regression is used to show the relationship of the age, weight and exercise on diet, food, sales. So this is the example of predictive analysis. Third is about the prescriptive analytics. Prescriptive analytics uses optimization to identify the best alternative to minimize or maximize some objective. Prescriptive analytics is used in many areas of business including operations, marketing and finance. So prescriptive analytics will be used in other areas of businesses like operation, marketing and finance. So this is about the prescriptive analytics. Now we will see about the example of prescriptive analytics. A department store has a limited advertising budget to target the audience. So department store has a limited advertising budget, it can target the audience for the analysis. Linear programming models can be used to optimally allocate the budget to various advertising media. In next lecture we will see about the business analytics process, competitive advantages of business analytics, and the relationship of business analytics with organization decision making. Thank you, students.